Alright, the first part of this video is slowed down to where you can see it a little bit better and zoom in how far actually it is away. And I didn't pull all the way back, but I will later on. You'll see how far back this boat actually is. How far out, I should say. But with your new eyes, you'll can realize the real lies that you've been taught.
I'm telling you, man, this is awesome.
Oh my god.
That's that boat way out there.
Yeah, that dude's having fun. Fucking not doing that.
He's having fun, but he's getting his ass pounded right now. Wow. I gotta zoom back.
Shit, this is a cool place. Now I'm actually like looking around the boat. Which way I come in? Where was I? Okay, yeah, this looks totally different than when it was pitch black out and I was like walking around with a flashlight. There's like 40 flashlights out trying to like make sure there's no animals out.
Oh, I had a possum that was up on that bridge right there last night. Scared the shit out of me.
I fucking like basically family of raccoons that live like right outside my front door. And a cat. I'm random as a cat. So it's just a little annoying that I'm like waking up in the morning and I'm like, okay, let's go check and see what's going on in the neighborhood.
Another boat just went in front of me, up closer. Look, I even see the birds flying around that boat out there. Unbelievable.
This guy I'm talking to here, he's a total stranger. I just met him this morning. He was out doing a sunrise take, and I met up with him and decided to talk to him a little bit. And I'm going to add a little bit of music to this one right here too. But then I'll let you hear the rest of our conversation after this little part right here.
Wow, he's taking an ass whooping. I mean, that guy's taking a pounding. That boat almost come completely out of the water.
Oh my god. Fucking he's a little speck out there and you're just sitting in. Doesn't think anyone's watching him.
It's awesome though, ain't it? I'm telling you, man, you don't have to change.
I'm slowly sinking down. Feel my universe tumble to the ground. When I was young, I knew truth was easy to understand as true. Trying to prove that the earth is flat again. Wishing life was as clear as it should have been. Crawling into the void all alone again. Trying to prove that the earth is flat. Don't stop breathing just because there is no air you can see. Born know there were reasons you'd believe, trying to prove that the earth is flat again, wishing life was as clear as it should have been, crawling into the void all alone again, trying to prove that the earth is flat, trying to prove that the earth is flat, trying to see why these simple things slip away from me. I'm down on my knees, bowing to gravity, and I would settle for proof of anything. But who am I to see? I'm so tiny, a speck of dust in an empty universe. Are you praying to find somebody to notice your small mess, trying to prove that the earth is flat again, wishing life was as clear as it should have been, crawling into the void all alone again, trying to prove that the earth is flat, trying to prove that the earth is flat, trying to prove that the earth is flat, da da da, trying to prove that the earth is flat.
I hope I opened your eyes, your real eyes, so you can realize the true lies. Check out this boat. I mean, this is popping up over that seawall, right? Over that water wall. I hope you can see this, and this is why I do these observational videos. The more observations you do, the more you start realizing it's flat. And you know, your perspective is definitely going to play a role in it. Being able to see this stuff really helps. So start observing your world that you live in, and hopefully you'll get a new set of eyes so you can realize those true lies.
They also one.
Yeah, there's 3 of them there.
It's a fucking double fish.
Yeah, without the head.
Yeah, what do they do? Just take the head? They're like, I'm only hungry for the head today.
So how far off the water do you think I am sitting up here? 10 feet?
Not that high, probably.
So maybe 8 foot up?
Let's see, what's my phone say? My elevation is... My elevation is like 3 feet.
3 feet. Above sea level.
Yeah, that's what it's saying.
So 3 feet plus my... Well, I got this about 4
3 feet
foot.
to right here. So it's,
Yeah.
yeah, it might be. Yeah, I don't know. Probably something right in that range. Not that fucking far off. Just sit here all day just spying on the boats all the way out there. See what's going on.
I've followed them out for miles to the vanishing point. You know, we can only see so far. Same way with my camera.
Fucking overhead. Yeah, I want to talk about a fucking creeper lens. There you go.
Yeah.
Fucking sit over here, spy all the way down in front of the hotel room.
Yeah.
All the way fucking down the beach. What's going on down there?
I was doing videos of people way down, well, actually way down there by the Space Center, there's a canal or something that runs behind a line of rocks. Because I seen this boat and I'm like, where's this boat at? It's behind these rocks, but then I see other boats coming out in front of it. Ooh. Hey, this one's gonna dip below the horizon.
Yep, there he goes.
It's actually just getting farther and farther away. See his boat smaller now?
Fucking hell, I barely can see him.
I can't see him.
Yeah, especially with that sun. It's just gonna be chilling right there, yeah. Yeah, he's gonna disappear off his sun.
Here he comes.
How your camera can't even see him almost anymore.
See how the waves work? See how the waves start actually the waves are blocking out the boat. It's your angular resolution.
Yeah, I mean, if you were off on top of this fucking lifeguard thing, you could see him.
Yeah, well, it's, no matter what, the higher up you go, the more of the plane you can see. The lower you get to a plane, it just turns into a sliver.
Yeah.
I do a perfect example with a 8-foot board. Make my camera level with it, where I'm zooming in on it. It's just this little sliver. But then as I jack my camera up higher, you get to see more of the plane.
Yeah.
So do we live on a ball? Or do we live in a plane of existence?
Wow, you want to get fucking...
I can blow your mind, man. Aries failure. There's guys that's done all kinds of experiments. And these guys are scientists, but they were marked by the scientific community as being,
Crazy.
yeah, because they spoke out about the science that was out there that they want you to believe, telling you that, you know, if you look at the history of where the globe model came from, Copernicus. Every now and then that boat would jump up behind this.
Can you still see him? No, I can't even see him.
Every now and then I get him popping up. He comes up out of the water.
Yeah, when it's going fucking 10 feet out of the
Yeah,
water.
I think I've lost him now.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is. He's popping out.
He's out there. Okay, this fish is gonna just like flip it all the way out.
I'm actually surprised the birds ain't all over it.
Dude, yeah. I mean, there's only about 100 flies on that one bead right there.
I know. It was like
Oh, if someone gets close to that, like, it's gonna be...
when I kicked it, it was like, oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there he was. I think I'm done.
gone over the water wall, and the only way to bring him back is for me to go higher. Once I go higher, I can bring him back into resolution. But after he's over that wall, there's nothing I can do.